Hello and welcome to Instrukart, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a pressure transmitter which is offered by Rosemount, and this pressure transmitter can be used for high pressure. As you can see, the housing. So this housing is basically made for ATEX zones and CE zones, which means that it can be used in the hydrogen zones also. As you can see, this is explosion proof, CE certification, and other certifications also provided along with this device. This one is a display mounted field device, which means that you have to mount on the line. This has got a pressure range of 0 to 16 bar, which means it's a high pressure that can be used in the applications, and it can have a media, air and gas. The temperature range which can be used in the process can be -50 to +65. Communication option, it has got hard and 4 to 20 milliamps output, which is analog output, which can be connected to your PLC or SCADA system. If you want further customizations on this product, that you want to take it to IoT, that is also possible through Instrukart. And these are the accessories which comes for the mounting option: the clamps, screws, nuts, bolts. The power supply which is used is 12 to 24 volts DC. So there's an adapter which is provided along with this, which can be used in any country, which is 110 to 250 step down converter or adapter, and 50 to 60 hertz frequency. There are settings which can be done for this LCD screen. You can follow the instruction manual for the same, which comes along with this Rosemount pressure transmitter. The series of this pressure transmitter is 3051. So there are many other pressure transmitter which comes in this 3051 family. You might have to refer to the order book before giving the right order for your application. Thanks for watching.